Good morning, dear students. Today I will give multiple choice questions from chapter 14, and name of the chapter 14 is the chemical effects of electric currents. Chemical effects of electric currents. Chemical effects of electric current. Now come to the multiple choice questions. First one is the MCQ. MCQ first one. Distilled water is a non-conductor of electricity. Non-conductor of electricity. Non-conductor of electricity. Now come to the second one. The anode during copper plating is copper metal. Third one. The process of depositing a thin layer of a superior metal over an inferior metal with the help of electric current is called electroplating. Next one is the process of electrolysis is used in all of these. Now on to the fifth one. A weak current can be detected by replacing an electric bulb is in an electric tester with both A and B. Sixth, a solution of a chemical compound which conducts electric current and at the same time undergoes a chemical change is known as electrolyte. The process due to which a solution of a chemical compound conducts electric current and at the same time undergoes chemical change is called electrolysis. Eighth one, the negatively charged ion formed when a chemical compound dissolves in water is known as anion. Next one is the positively charged ion formed when a chemical compound is dissolved in water is called cation. And 10th one. Next one is a vessel consisting of electrodes and the electrolyte used during electrolysis is called voltmeter. 10th one is the voltmeter. Is called voltmeter. This is the multiple choice question. First one is the non-conductor of electricity. Second one is the copper metal. Third one is the electroplating. Fourth one is all of these. Fifth, both A and B. Sixth, electrolyte. Seventh, electrolysis. Eighth, anion. Ninth, cation. 10th, voltmeter. And now come to the fill in the blanks. Second one is the fill in the blanks. B. Second, fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. First one. Where electric current is passed Through common salt solution, the hydrogen gas is liberated at cathode. Alcohol is a non-electrolyte. Alcohol is a non-electrolyte. Alcohol is a non-electrolyte. Third one, addition of caustic soda in distilled water makes it an electrolyte. Electrolyte. Fourth one, the anions in an electrolyte discharged at anode. Fifth one, electroplating is a process of depositing a thin layer of a superior metal on an object with the help of electricity. That is the electroplating. Sixth one, during electrolysis, an electrolyte undergoes chemical change. Seven, if a gas burned with a pop sound, then it is a hydrogen gas. Eighth one, dash are electrically charged groups of atom, that is the ions. This is the fill in the blanks, and first one you can see cathode, second one non-electrolyte, third one the electrolyte, fourth one anode, fifth one is the electroplating, sixth chemical, seventh hydrogen, and eighth ions. Statements. Addition of sodium hydroxide in distilled water make it a non-electrolyte. Addition of sodium hydroxide in distilled water makes it a electrolyte. Here it is given non-electrolyte, and in place of everything is same, only you have to write in first one, addition of sodium hydroxide in distilled water makes it a electrolyte. In place of non-electrolyte you have to write only electrolyte. And in second one, petrol is a dash good conductor of electricity. Petrol is a poor conductor of electricity. In place of good you have to write poor conductor of electricity. Petrol is a poor conductor of electricity. Third one, during electrolysis of water, the oxygen gas collects at the cathode. In place of cathode you have to write anode. And in fourth one, when a burning splint is brought near hydrogen gas, it burns with a pop sound. In place of oxygen gas you have to write hydrogen gas. In place of oxygen gas you have to write hydrogen gas. The electrode which is connected to the negative terminal of a cell battery is called the anode. In place of anode you have to write cathode. In the process of electrolysis, the electric current flows through an electrolytic followed by a chemical change. In place of physical change you have to write chemical change. In place of physical change you have to write the chemical change. So this is the statements. In first one, in place of non-electrolyte you have to write electrolyte. Addition of sodium hydroxide in distilled water makes it electrolyte, and petrol is a poor conductor of electricity, and during electrolysis of water the oxygen gas collects at the anode, and when a burning splint is brought near hydrogen gas it burns with a pop sound. And next one, fifth one, the electrode which is connected to the negative terminal of a cell battery is called the cathode, and in the process of electrolysis the electric current flows through an electrolyte followed by a chemical change. Now come to the true false. True false. Fourth one is the true false. First one, distilled water containing a small amount of alcohol is a good conductor of electricity. That is the false. Second, all vegetable oils are non-electrolyte. True. Third one, during electrolysis of water, hydrogen gas is formed at the cathode. True. Fourth, addition of common salt into water makes it an electrolyte. True. Fifth one, the article to be electroplated is always connected to the positive pole of the battery. False. And sixth one, the process of electrolysis can be used in the extraction of aluminium from its ore. That is a true. And seventh one, during electrolysis the electrolyte undergoes a physical change. That is the false. And now come to the first one is the false, second one true, third one true, fourth one true, fifth one false, sixth true, seventh one false. And now come to the match the statements. Fifth one, match the following. Fifth one, match the following. First one, a solution which conducts electricity and at the same time undergoes a chemical change. Electrolyte. And second one, the metal wire plate rod through which current enters or leaps an electrolyte. That is the electrode. The apparatus in which electrolysis is carried out. That is the voltmeter. Fourth one, the electrode connected to the negative terminal of a cell. That is the cathode. And fifth one, the positive charged ions, that is the cations. And sixth, the process of depositing a thin layer of a metal with a help of electricity, that is the electroplating. This is chapter 14. Till here you have to write in your copy.